I'm Matt, and I'm in a basement today. This house has got galvanized plumbing in it. This galvanized plumbing tends to rust out. I'm pretty familiar with it. I've replaced a lot of it. Looks like this on the inside. Looks pretty good on the outside, but it rusts out like this on the inside. It's like hardening to the arteries, and it reduces the water flow like this. This is all the way on. The hot and the cold are all the way on. So you can see the galvanized pipe here, and they've installed, this is called PEX. They've tried to do a repair here. But see, the problem, they thought that the problem was here apparently, but it's more in here. These T's and elbows, well, that's different there. This turns to copper there, but the T's and the elbows rust up the most, like these elbows here. Those are the worst points where they rust up, and they reduce the water flow like that. So this is a ranch house in St. Clair Shores, built in probably the late 1950s, I'm guessing. So, you know, eventually all this galvanized plumbing eventually has to be replaced. So it depends though. I mean, sometimes I've taken some out, like I took some out of my mom's house, and they actually look really good inside, except for the elbows and the T's and the valves. The valves also tend to rust up quicker. Anything near the hot water tanks tends to rust up quicker, especially on the hot side. You can see they replaced some of it here. So this is probably rusted up pretty badly in here, I'm guessing. So anyway, that's one of the issues you run into in these older homes. So that's it. Matt Fletcher.